Hello guys, welcome you all to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create human-like voiceovers completely free. And the interesting thing about these voiceovers, these can be monetized because these voiceovers very human-like voiceovers. Before creating voiceovers we need the script. For that I am going to ChatGPT 3 and then I'm going to create a script for you. Okay, now I am in my ChatGPT account and I'm going to ask a simple question. Let's see. Now ChatGPT 3 is writing a script. ChatGPT 3 has written a script, a nice script for us, and I'm going to copy this script and like this. Okay, and copy the script. And then I am going to the software called Clipchamp. Okay, clipchamp.com. This is operated by Microsoft, so you shouldn't worry about the quality of this software because this software is very useful. So I'm going to logging into my account. If you don't have an account, so you have to create one. Creating an account is very easy. You can create your account of Clipchamp using your Gmail account or your Microsoft account. Okay, what you have to do is you have to go to the create a new video. Now we are in the home page, so I'm going to create a new video. And then I'm going to record and create here, as you can see. Then the last one, text to speech. Okay, I'm going to paste the script here and I'm going to remove these things. Intro 5 seconds, I'll remove it, and this one also. This one also section 3, also this one. Right, the interesting thing is there are lots of voices you can select, and I'm going to select the default one. The other thing is you can select the voice style. Okay, assistant, chat, customer service, newscast, okay, like that. I'm not going to change it. And you can also change the speech speed, which is really nice. Okay, and you can also select the voice pitch. Okay, I'm going to keep it as default. Let's play.
Welcome to this video about success. Today we'll be exploring what success truly means, how to achieve it, and what it takes to maintain it.
As you hear, it is a good and nice voice. I'm going to change the voice. Okay, let's hear.
Welcome to this video about success. Today we'll be exploring what success truly means, how to achieve it, and what it takes to maintain.
Okay, let's change the voice style. We are going to change it to sad.
Welcome to this video about success. Today we'll be exploring what success truly means.
As you can see, you can select lots of voice styles, and also you can change the voice pitch and also you can change the speed of voice, and you can select a voice type. Okay, there are lots of capabilities to change these voices and then save to media. It will create our voiceover. After that, what you have to do is you have to select
Welcome
this
to this
plus
video
mark, and then it will be on our timeline. And then I am going to the software called Audacity. You can download this software for free. Okay, completely free. It is an open source software, and then you have to record that voiceover. I'm going to record that voiceover like this. Okay, first I hit the record button here, and then I play this voiceover here.
Welcome to this video about success. Today we'll be exploring what success
As
truly
you can
means,
see,
how to achieve it,
the
and
software
what it takes to
will
maintain
record
it.
our voiceover.
Success means different things to different
Okay.
people. It could mean financial stability,
I'm
a
not going
high-ranking job
to
position, or even
let
a
it to
happy
go.
family
I'm
life.
going to stop here.
Whatever your
I think
definition
that
of
is enough.
success may be,
I'm going to
it's
stop this one also, and
job
then
position, or even a happy family life.
right, then I'm going to export this file as an mp3 file. Okay, like that. You can save it. I'm naming it as RRR 3 hours, and it should be on the desktop, and then hit save. Again save. Now our voiceover is ready like this.
Welcome to this video about success. Today we'll be exploring what success truly means, how to achieve it, and what it takes to maintain it. Success means different things to different people.
I think you got the idea how to create voiceovers for your YouTube videos, and I hope you enjoy my video. And if you enjoy my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's see in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye bye.